Hi, everybody. I get a lot of questions about how I decide to use one card versus another, or how do you decide on which card to pick. And so often I see a lot of the blog arena addressing these questions with less than firm data. So they might say, oh, well, if you like groceries, get that card. Or if you like to travel more and spend that kind of money, get that card. Well, I prefer to break things down a little bit. So let's look at a great example that a lot of beginners look at on which card do I choose? The Chase Freedom Flex or the Chase Freedom Unlimited? And a lot of it can be a little misleading because you see that the Unlimited maybe has the higher generic cash back amount or points back at 1.5 times, but then the Flex has the categories. So which one do you choose? Hopefully I'm here to help answer that a little bit. So let's take a look at some actual numbers of somebody of what they would maybe spend annually to see which card makes sense for them. So both cards come with a $0 annual fee. Both cards come with a 3% foreign transaction rate. Then there's a few other things that are very similar about the card, the exact same features. They both earn 5% through the Chase Travel Portal. They both earn 3% on dining. They both earn 3% on drugstores. And they both right now have an offer for the first year to earn 5% back at grocery stores up to $12,000. They also both come with a $200 or 20,000 point intro offer after you spend $500 in your first 3 months. So far they're pretty even, no matter what you do. But I like to break things down by actual tangible dollars. So one of my hack habits is I analyze everything. I look at data. I want to know empirically with data what card I should choose or where I should throw my spend. And this is an exercise I go through anytime I'm debating between 2 or 3 cards that I want to open, prove to myself which one is the better deal for me. So let's go through an exercise. Let's say I want to spend about $20,000 to $30,000 on a credit card during the year. Before you do anything, you need to have a goal. You need to know what your plans are. You need to know what your habits are. You can't just open a card on a whim. You need to say, am I going to spend money on it? Is it going to make sense? And is it going to help me achieve my travel goals? So everyone knows to start with Chase because of the 524 rule. So looking at a Chase card, let's see. I'm, for comparison's sake, going to say I'm going to spend $1,000 a month in non-category or non-bonus category spend, generic spend. It doesn't earn extra points anywhere. Well, with the Chase Flex card, you're going to earn 1% on those points, so you're going to earn 12,000 points. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited, you get that extra 0.5%. Everyone loves, you get 1.5% on that non-category spend. That $12,000 comes out to 18,000 points. So at this point, we're exactly even everywhere. We're at 57,500 points here, but we're at 63,500 points here, okay? Because we've spent the same amount of money, but on that non-category spend, the Chase Freedom is purely the winner. It's clear cut. But you have to look at what category bonuses am I going to be looking at. I gave some examples of what those rotating categories were for 2020. And then I did 3 separate breakdowns. If you max out the category spend, which is always $1,500 a quarter, if you do the mid-range at $750, or if you do minimal at $100. As you go through the breakdown, you can see that the total for the max out for $28,000, $28,500 on both, you earn an extra 15,000 points with the Chase Flex because of that 5 times category bonus. At the mid-level, you still earn 4,500 more points. It's not until you're at the lower level of spending $100 a quarter in these categories that you earn an extra 5,000 points because of that generous extra 1.5% on the non-category. So again, you really need to decide which one's the right one for me and will I use it or not. If all of a sudden you say, I'm going to spend $50,000 in non-category spend, if you have that much, or you do manufactured spending, maybe like I do, then it's a clear-cut winner. At that rate, you're spending $60,000 a year, and you're going to earn 25,000 extra points almost that way. So you really need to gauge these and make the decision that's best for you. If you're interested in getting this spreadsheet, just drop me an email. I'd be more than happy to send it to you. Thanks, guys.